What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Walmart. I rarely ever come to Walmarts because it's rare when I find something good. But you know, I was walking through the aisle and look what I came across with. The Walmart exclusive Hot Wheels quarter-mile finals cars. So here is the awesome Porsche 918 Spider. Here we have the Lamborghini Aventador. Cool. Nice. Here we have the Bugatti Veyron. And here's another Bugatti. And here is the McLaren Senna. Nice. Here's the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Nice. Here's another McLaren. The Lamborghini Aventador Miura. Another Dodge Demon. And another Porsche 918 Spider. Alright guys, so let's see what else they have. Alright guys, so it doesn't look like they have anything new on the Matchbox single packs. Bunch of peg warmers. Nothing new on these 5-packs either. I already have this one. This one's pretty cool. As a matter of fact, I did a review on it. Please be sure to go check out the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's see, what do they have over here. They have this cool California Golden State monster truck from Monster Jam. Not bad. And here they have this cool Nitro Nuggets Roger Dodger themed monster truck from Hot Wheels. Pretty cool. And here we have the Bionic Bruiser. And here's a cool Beetle monster truck. Awesome. Not very much from Auto World. They just have this cool 1991 Dodge Stealth RT. And here we have the Midwest Madness monster truck from Hot Wheels. We have the V8 Bomber. There's another one right there. Another one here, another one here. Another Beetle. Let's see. This one's pretty cool. The Steer Clear. Here's another one. This one's kind of cool. It's got the bull horns on the top, so not bad. And here we have the Darth Vader. Not bad. Another one. And we have some 2-pack monster trucks over here. We have this one. I've actually been looking for this one in a single pack. I don't care for this train over here. Let's see. Looks like these are all the same. Some Monster Jam. More of the same. We have these 2-packs over here. We have that one over there. Pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. Very cool. El Toro Loco versus the school bus. And here's another one of these. So here we have the Gravedigger versus Alien Invasion. Not bad. Let's put these back. And here we have some Mario Kart. Some cars. More Mario Kart. Let's see what we have over here. Check this out, guys. Pretty cool. 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Here we have the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Pretty cool. And here we have Dom's Plymouth Roadrunner. Nice. And here we have the Chevy Chevelle. And here's another one. And there's another Roadrunner back there. So let's put these here. And what do we have over here? Alright guys, so check this out. They have some pretty cool trucks here. They have the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. Definitely going to pick this one up. Check this one out, guys. This one's pretty awesome. 2020 Nissan Titan Pro 4x4. Nice. There's another one over here. And here we have this cool 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Not bad. Let's see. Here we have the 2006 Hummer H1. Very cool. This one looks pretty cool in this cool yellow color. And here we have this 2006 Toyota Tundra pickup truck. Nice. There's another one back there, and there's another Raptor back there. Over here we just have some Harley Davidson motorcycles by MyStill, and last but not least we have the Working Rigs by Matchbox. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it at this store. I'm gonna hit another store. Catch you guys in a few. Peace. What's up guys? So I'm here at a Target, and it doesn't look like they've put any Hot Wheels out. And let's see, nothing new on the bike packs. I already have this one. Let's see, nothing new on the premiums. Star Wars stuff. Head warmers on these 2-packs. Mario Kart. A bunch of these Hot Wheels RC cars. Glow-in-the-dark monster trucks. Let's see. This one's really cool. I'll pick it up someday. It's easy to find, so I'm not too worried about finding it. So let's see. Nothing here. Atomica. Here they have some of these Jada Toys punch buggies. They're cool and all, but I don't know. They don't quite convince me. So looks like they're restocking this brand new wave of Matchbox. Check this out. Subaru SWX. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Here's the Mazda CX-5. Cool. Here's a cheap Gladiator. Not bad. I think I'm gonna pass on it. Here they have the Mbx mini cargo truck. Check this out guys. The Polaris slingshot. Now this one is really cool guys. The Lamborghini Gallardo police car. Nice. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Here's another nice one. The Tesla Roadster. Very cool. Check this one out guys. The 1932 Ford Coupe. Nice. Nice. This one's beautiful, man. Check this out guys. This is a Mercedes AMG GT 63.5. Nice. Definitely gonna pick that one up. And here we have the 2019 Mazda 3. Nice. Take another one of these. I like to have doubles guys because I like to do wheel swaps and keep the other ones carded. So let's see what else they have guys. Check this one out guys. This is the 1950 Buick Skylark. Pretty cool. Don't mind if I do. Here's another Mazda 3. This is pretty cool, the Mbx Garbage Scout. This is a maybe. Gotta put it on this side for now. And check this out guys, the International Army Truck. Not bad. This is the Subaru Sunbar. Oh nice, this one's really cool. This is the 2020 Land Rover Defender. Nice. And here's another Subaru Sunbar. Here's a cool little garbage truck. Let's see. Another nice one. Man, did I come at the right time. This is the 2016 Alfa Romeo. Nice. And here's another Lamborghini. Very cool. Here's another one. Pretty cool Subaru. And another Mazda. Jeep. Nice. Man, I've been looking for this one for quite some time. I'm so lucky, man. This one is beautiful. This is the first time I've found any of these Nissan hard bodies, so definitely gonna pick this one up. And that's pretty much it. Let's see. Some Micro Machines. Nothing new on the NASCAR Diecast. Kings of Crunch. 1941 Ford pickup. Yeah, pretty much the same old same over here, guys. Tech deck. Nice. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.